Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? If this is your first time here on this YouTube channel, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button if you do enjoy the content over here, because we would love to have you, okay? And if this is your first video, if you watch it all the way to the end and you feeling what it's giving, then make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you would like to add your 2 cents down below in the comment to make up my 98 so we can make $1, then go ahead and do right just that. But as you guys can see in this video, we are going to be doing my paycheck number 4. So we're finishing out August and we're getting our life together, okay? So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So, I feel like that came running real hard. Okay, y'all. So this paycheck, we're just going to call it the 26th of August paycheck. 26 Augie 2023. I don't know why I called August Augie, but you know what, I'm here for it. I am here for it. Anyways, y'all, this income source is gonna be my carryover for one of them, and then other for the second one. And so how other got all mixed up in this little baby is that I was doing sports betting and I want me some coins. I sure did. I want me some coins. So I am going to be budgeting the coins that I won as well as my carryover that was left available, okay? So in total, I had a carryover of 164. What was this? What was this? Oh, I had a budget of carryover of 164.83, and then in my little, winnings or whatever, I won a total of $130.57. So let me bring my calculator out real quick, because we love a good calculator, tea, okay? Bring it all together. So it's 164.83 plus 130.57, which equals me to $295.40. Yeah, I'm sorry for the glare. $295.40. So that is what we are working with. Real low income this budget, but you know what, we work with what we got, because you know what, we loves it over here. Any little bit works for us. So in expenses, so I was looking through my expenses, or the bills that I had, and it just makes sense for me to put something, well, it is, put the things, that I put on my credit card in those expenses put some money towards that. So what I'm basically going to do is there's 2 expenses that I want to put money towards, and let me show you guys what they are. So one of them, or at least both of them, is on this side. One of them is my book run for school, which was $46.96. I had no plans for this, but you know what, school happening, so I had to get it. And then the second thing was my groceries for $45.82. So those 2 things, I want to put those down so that I can pay these back, because they are on my card. So if we go back to the budget, we are gonna do the books run. That's where I rented my book from for school. And then the other one's name was, this is just groceries at Walmart. So groceries at Walmart. So overspent, and I'm just gonna put groceries in brackets so I know. And so these don't have due dates, I'm just paying them. And so the first one was, the first one was $46.96. That's what it is. Wrong color, child, wrong color. You know, I still like to keep my stuff in color together. And this is real life budgeting, y'all, because I didn't know what this paycheck was gonna be, because it's literally based off of leftovers. So yeah, we're doing this live, the budget itself. So it's $46.96 for the books run, and then the overspent groceries was $45.82. And so we're gonna use that. Yeah, so there we're gonna use that to pay off those two. So from this $295, we're gonna take out the books run and the overspent groceries, which when we calculate, when we add these together, the 46.96 plus the 45.82, we get a total of $92.78. So $92.78. So from the $295.40 minus the 92.78, we have $202.62 to work with. So now we're gonna move down to our cash envelopes. In here, so here's the thing, right? So because this is the 26th of August, if you don't know, your girl is going on vacation to Jamaica on Monday. So I won't be here basically the last week of August. So it makes no sense I put anything in groceries. I recently put gas in my car for whatever leftover gas I had that I previously stuffed. Makes no sense for me to have allowance because I'm going to be spending all of it in Jamaica anyways. And then the only thing, I want to add something to toiletries, I feel like, because in our last closeout, but our last check-in, like my toiletries and my household got a lot of money moved from them, and so I want to, because I know once I come back there are certain things that I have to buy for my household which are still, you know, essentials. So I want to say 5 to household, at least something, and then 5 to toiletries as well. Like I said, because those are, when I come back, are still going to be essentials after I come off of vacation. So I want to make sure that I'm still putting money into those to, you know, get it together. And then I'm not doing anything for hair care. I'm going to wait until September because I do have a hair appointment in September, but I'm going to wait until September to actually do that part. So my total for cash envelopes is $10. And then if you subtract 202.62 minus the 10 that's for cash envelope, we're left with $192.62. So $192.62. I had that space, I might as well use it. I want to do saving challenges last because I know that's next, but I want to do it last because it's basically where majority of like the movement of the money is going to go. So yeah. Next is car maintenance. I do have a car maintenance that I want to do. So while there's not much, I'm gonna add $5 to it. Christmas, I'm not gonna add anything. My birthday, I'm not gonna add anything. Fam's birthday, I'm not gonna add anything. Clothing doesn't require anything. 1 month ahead, I'm gonna give it $5, and then emergency fund, I'm gonna give it $10. I do have $192.62 to work with. I think for travel, I mean, what's in travel right now? Hold on, y'all, because I don't want to, man, what's in travel right now? Okay, all right. Okay, here's the thing. I give travel $10. It has the money in cash that I'm gonna be bringing anyways, so I give it $10 because the money in cash that I'm gonna be putting towards travel is gonna equal to like a decent amount for carrying money, and then everything else will be on my credit card because that's where I plan to have most of my debts or expenses or whatever it is come, you know, while I'm on the trip go. So $192.62 is the remaining balance. So we're gonna add up the cash envelope. So 5, it's 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10, I think that's 30. It's 30. So we have a total of $30 that we are going to put into sinking funds. And so that 192.62 minus $30 leaves me with 162.62, right? Additional debt. For additional debt, I am perplexed a little bit. Hold on, because I am hold on, where is, I gotta confirm something first, because I haven't deposited the money yet that I've been putting aside for everything in back to bank. I haven't deposited yet, so I want to confirm where this charge was charged from so that I can put it back if needs be, and if not, then I can move this money somewhere, but we'll see. Come on, don't do that. Yeah, I'm on my iPad on the other side, but it's being weird. Like, this is what real life budgeting is, y'all. Like, these are the things that you do when you're trying to figure it out. You think about, hey, what extra bills do I have going on for this paycheck? You know, does it make sense for me to put more into one cash envelope than into the other one? Because I don't want to if it doesn't make sense during this time, then it doesn't make sense. Like, this is a extra random paycheck on the 26th. It's not my normal. So my birthday and my fam's b-day is not necessarily important, right? And at the same time, I won't even be in town to use this within this month, so it doesn't make sense, and those won't be accounted for. But my 1 month ahead and my emergency fund is a must, right? Because regardless of whatever time of the year, they gonna come clutch when your girl needs them. And my thing is not working. It won't let me see, so I don't know. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and checked, and so it was on my credit card, so I'm gonna leave that money, so we're all good. Okay, the other thing is I don't have any additional debt, so that I'm not putting towards my credit card. I'm just not. But there is something in other. So because I have not put the money for back to bank yet, I've been spending the cash, right? And I've been doing stuff like supporting my office because they had some fundraising stuff going on. I've been buying food a little bit more than what was in my well, I've already went out of budget, but I bought food out of budget, and I bought food for me and my best friend. And so, you know, I'm starting the vacation early. So back to bank literally is on here now as a deposit, as a cash, and they are due $79. So back to bank in itself has a total of $79 that's left over that needs to go back to it, right? So I did the $192.62, which is what we had when we was at cash envelopes, and then we'll subtract the $30 for our sinking funds, right? And that leaves us with $162.62, and then we're gonna subtract this $79 here for what was left in what that place is. What I have to put back in my back to bank envelope, and then yeah, this $83. So $83 is gonna go to saving challenges. You know what? $83.62 is gonna go to saving challenges. We're not gonna even make it real hard. So $83.62. So everything should be zeroed out. I was gonna put 83, but the 62 cents would have been out there, and we like a zero-based budget. So let's put everything together. So I have an income source of $295.40. I have expenses of $92.78. I have cash envelopes of $100. I have cash envelopes of $10. My bad. I have additional savings of $83.62. I have sinking funds of $30, and I have back to bank of $79. So this 295.40 minus 92.78 minus 10 minus 83.62 minus 30 minus 79. Zero, baby. That's what we love to see. So this is a total of 0. So everything is accounted for, everything is booked and busy, and every dollar got a place and a home to go to. Okay, so you ain't got to stay all up in the budget, but you got to go where you got to go. So anyways, y'all, that is my budget. It was long, it was talked through. This is basically a guide of how you do your budget yourself. And so yeah, I'm not too mad at it. I'm not too mad at it. I am fully good with the budget that I have here, and don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Show me that you like it. Get me, you know, you get me. And then leave a comment down below. Put your 2 cents. Oh, your 2 cents. So we can make up the 98 that I got. So we can make $1. So leave a comment down below. And then share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And if you do enjoy this content, then subscribe, because we do appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for watching, y'all. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.